Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check MAC address for your speaker QCY SP7. And basically you have a few options how to check it. We need to open application for both these options, and right here you can scroll to the sound or to the setting, and on iOS at the left side we have this speaker icon. On Android on the right side, just tap at this icon, and right here at the fourth line you find MAC address. So this one is the first option how to check it. The second one is to go to the settings, then click more settings and device information. And right here, this one is the second option. Here's MAC address, the same menu as in the previous method. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!